Hi, I'm Trevor, an elite tasker on Taskrabbit, and I'm going to walk you through DIY garden bed mastery. Today I'm going to take you through the basics: laying mulch, battling your weeds, and edging your lawn. Let's start with the magic of mulch. Mulch is like a superhero for your garden. It retains moisture, regulates soil temperature, suppresses weeds, and improves soil health as it decomposes. But not all mulch is created equal, so let's break down your options. Organic mulch is great for enriching soil as they break down and includes types such as bark, wood shavings, straw, compost, and leaf mold. Inorganic mulch is a low-maintenance solution for areas where you do not want to encourage plant growth. Inorganic mulch types include gravel, pebbles, or landscape fabric. Follow these steps and you'll be mulching like a pro. Clear the area of debris and weeds. Add a layer of compost or fertilizer to nourish your soil. Apply a 2 to 4 inch layer of mulch, keeping it away from the plant stems to prevent rot. Water thoroughly to help settle the mulch. Pro tip: refresh your mulch annually or when you notice it thinning out. Your plants will thank you. Now let's tackle those nasty invaders, weeds. As every gardener knows, weeds are the uninvited guests of the garden world. While they may be persistent, you can win the battle with these tried and true strategies. Number 1, prevention is the best defense. Monitor your garden regularly and remove weeds when they are small. Use mulch to suppress weed growth. Plant ground covers to crowd out weeds. Number 2, manual weeding. Arm yourself with a hand trowel, weeder, and gloves. Then follow these steps to get rid of weeds by hand. Water the area first to soften the soil. Grasp the weed at its base and pull gently but firmly. Remove the entire root to prevent regrowth. Dispose of weeds in compost piles or yard waste bins. Number 3, if all else fails, consider chemical control, but use it sparingly. If you're dealing with stubborn weeds, herbicides can be effective. However, use them cautiously and follow these important guidelines. Apply on a calm day to prevent drift. Wind is your enemy here. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. For a more eco-friendly approach on tough weeds, try natural alternatives like vinegar or boiling water. Now let's talk about edging and how to create a garden boundary. A well-defined edge between your lawn and garden beds can make a world of a difference. Here's how to achieve that crisp, professional look. First, understand the types of edging available. Plastic edging. Flexible and easy to install, but may not be as durable. Metal edging. Durable and long-lasting, but can be more expensive. Stone and brick edging. Attractive and highly durable, though they require more effort to install. Next, gather some supplies to get started. Edging tool or spade. String and stakes. Your chosen edging material. Then follow 4 easy steps for crisp garden lines. Mark your desired edge with string or stakes. Use an edging tool or spade to cut along the marked line, creating a V-shaped trench. Install your chosen edging material, making sure it's level and secure. Backfill with soil and tamp down to prevent shifting. Last but not least, keep your edging looking sharp with some simple maintenance. Trim grass along the edge regularly. Recut the edge annually or as needed. Replace or repair edging material if it becomes damaged or worn. Now you're ready to start planting. And if you are new to gardening, don't worry, we've got you covered. I'll walk you through some beginner tips. Start with a garden plan. Before diving into planting, take some time to assess your garden's sunlight, soil type, and drainage. Choose plants that suit your climate and growing condition. Start small and expand as you gain confidence. Don't forget the tools. Make sure you stock up on these gardening must-haves. Gloves, hand trowel, garden shears, watering can or hose, quality soil, and compost. Now it's time to get started. Prepare your soil by removing weeds and adding compost. Follow spacing guidelines for your chosen plants. Water deeply after planting to help roots establish. And now you're ready for the basic care and maintenance. Now that your garden is established, make sure to water regularly, especially during dry spells. Fertilize plants according to their certain needs. Monitor for pests and diseases, addressing issues promptly. All right now, let's get seasonal. When it comes to gardening, each season comes with its own set of priorities. In spring, plant annuals and vegetables and prune shrubs. In summer, water deeply, deadhead flowers, and harvest vegetables. In fall, plant bulbs, clean up garden beds, and add compost. In winter, plan for next year, maintain your tools, and order seeds. So before you go, remember, consistency is key. Regular attention to your garden will keep it looking its best year-round. But if maintaining garden beds isn't your thing, you can always find me and other taskers like me on Taskrabbit.